Okay guys, Assalamualaikum and a good morning and a very good morning to everyone. My name is Nurin Zarif Atirah binti Muhammad Arif and my number matric is C2081323. Okay, today I want to present about assignment that has been given to us. So our goal is to develop and market a new product based on conventional art product. And my team and I decide to create a unique traditional coconut grinder from a manual coconut grinder to the electric one. Okay, our initial step was to brainstorm fresh product ideas, and we also come up with a lot of our own tools. Okay, like a wooden frame with and iron type mallets on the top is our first clue. And our objective is to design a product that increase productivity while reducing our bending discomfort. Coconut grinder, we also put it some curve. Okay, next I want to tell you about the functions, price and many others. The expenses are fair now because this electric coconut grinder is unique. Okay, as we know, the original version of this electric coconut grinder is use wood. Okay, but we only utilize the finest wood. Renting measuring wire is costly. As a result, we have decreased the price to 89 ringgit 90 cents. So this price I think so reasonable to everyone. And our group may also choose a cheap electric coconut scraper but it's so usable, and it was inspired by another competitor's modified coconut machines. So we set out to modernize the traditional coconut grater by adding electricity, a table, and keeping the gel component inside. Okay, so our items are composed of high quality woods including a tape. Okay, next I will tell you about the material of the tape. As everyone knows, metal is also used in the gel component of the coconut grinder since it does not rust quickly. Okay, so these product things are local, but we wish to keep them in our own country. And this product is unusual because it can be carved with many patterns, durable when dropped. Okay. And so we choose a size that is neither too big not too little, and our items are also great for customer who love traditional design. Yes, that is our point. So in the conclusions, we want you all to know that this machine is an updated version of an antique coconut grinder, and we are able to modernize it by installing electric generators and wood carvings. Okay, that is the main point of our product. Okay, these machines will make it easier for all the users to use it as it will not burden them. Okay, and our product promise comforts and certifications to all customers. So we really hope that our product can attract the attentions of the mass and be famous all over the world. And I hope to. Okay, thank you very much. That's all from me.